Hello. It's so exciting to be on your space once more. As you all know, this is Learning with Agogo. You are here on this platform for the very first time. This is a platform that helps to showcase some of the things that we have learned in the course of our practice as well as research, just to give back to the community. So today we will be talking on creating of baseline. Previously I did talk on timeline. We did scheduling on our previous section, as well as we talked on, let me quickly click on this section so you can see some of the things that we've talked on. So we talked on creating of dependencies as well as assigning of resources. So because of time, I have personally assigned those resources on there so that we can go through it. I previously illustrate how to assign tasks on my previous video. You can go on there, you will see it on our previous training. So I also did edit on this resource by grouping it. So previously we did group it as project officer and all that, so I've been able to create a link just to assign those resources so that it will be more, you know, arranged and highly acceptable to view. So if we come to the resource breakdown structure, you will see on here the structure. I've got project officers, and under project officers we've got the PM, the BA, the admin, the geologist, and the likes. So on here we've got subcontractors, people that some of the activities will be subletted to. So we've got civil engineers, building supervisor, electrical engineer, and on here we've got the consultant that will help to checkmate the work of the supervisors and give feedback back to the client. And on here we've got general vendor as well as the goods. So there is no hard and fast rule to this process. It all depends on you, the scheduler. So on this training, on this simulation, I decided to go through it this way. So now that we've got that sorted, if you come back, click on the tags and go to the Gantt chart, you will see here all those activities having their resource assigned. So I'll quickly do something by clicking here to add a baseline. So if I click on the work breakdown structure, you can see the values, cost of each activity on there. So you can see the value. So that is the course that we are running into at the moment. So let me quickly create a baseline as a reference point. I've previously click on search just to, so the baseline is the reference point, while the budget is what the total execution of the project will cost. So I'll just quickly create that baseline here by clicking on the tax button and click on save baseline. So you can save that baseline. So now that we've saved the baseline, you can see the budget as pop up. You can see the difference. You can see the budget as pop up on there. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so So you can see the total days, start days, and all that. Okay, so the total cost of the baseline is this value. So sometimes people do add 10% to the contingency. You can multiply this value to get your total cost. So as you are executing the project, other activities, other risks that you've considered in the course of planning the project will come into play. In some cases there might be need for more resource, there might be variation in pricing and all that, so that contingency should be able to cater for that. So that is just what I want to show on this quick one. Thank you very much for your time today. Sincerely, I really appreciate the feedback that I've been having from this training, and truly it is very encouraging. Whilst we are on it, let me just quickly click on the report so you can quickly see what the report look like. So this is the report. Okay, so this tells you what it is. Okay, so on our subsequent class we will be talking more on creation of baseline and other aspects of using ProjectLibre. Thank you for your time today. It is my pleasure to be on your space. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share to those that you think might have need for this training. Thank you very much for your time today.